Okay. 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 Are you guys ready? Just take this. Okay, this is space and pull it like this. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and today guys I will show you on how I wax my underarms using VEET wax strips. Okay, so I have this for almost for 1 year, almost 2 years actually, for almost 2 years. I bought this one for €8 and imagine I still have and I'm still using it. So if you are a practical woman and if you want to do it by your own, you want to save money, you want to save your time, just buy this one. So I think you can buy this one in Amazon or in any supermarket. You know, you can buy this one. Okay, so when is the good timing for waxing? Well, me, as you can see, I just took my shower, so it's still my hair is still wet, and for me this is the good timing for waxing. Using warm or lukewarm water to your shower, it's always a good option if you are planning for waxing, guys. It can open the otherwise closed skin pores and make the process of removal easier. But guys, before I took my shower, I used this one. So Hydra Vegetal Radiance Exfoliating Gel from Painless. So this one is exfoliating gel. So I use this one on my underarms before taking shower. So it will helps me to open my pores. So it's easier for me to remove. But if you don't have, it's okay. Just take your shower with warm or lukewarm water. It's not a problem. Okay, so now I will show you how I use the wax strips. Okay guys, so now I will be showing you my underarms, and please don't expect a paradise because my underarms is not a paradise. What I'm doing is I will just cut this one because I don't really need all of that. I just need this size for my underarms. So what we need is we have to separate the two. Okay. Oh. Now I will be showing you my underarms, and it's quite hairy because I did not wax for 3 weeks, I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks, just to make this video. So it will be hairy, so you will be able to see, guys. Okay. So this is my underarms. Okay, so you can see the hair, guys. I hope for you. Okay, now after you will see when I will take out. So what you need to do, guys, is you just have to put like this, guys. Okay, and just put like this. Okay, you have to look carefully how will I do. Okay. Okay, are you guys ready? Just take this. Okay, this is space and pull it like this. Okay, very fast. Don't do it slowly because it will not be good. Okay, like 1 1 2 3. Okay. So did you see that? Wow. And just 1 second. Oh no, I have to take the other side because it's still hot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, now we just have to take like this. It's easy now to take out because it's very sticky. Okay. Okay, so now it's no more. Okay. So wow, it's nice. So after that, guys, it's very sticky, as you can see. Okay. So what you need to do is you can put a powder, any powder, baby powder, you know, or you can put oil, you know. So me, I will put oil. You can put any oil, guys, if you have rosemary oil. I will put almond oil. Okay, so I will put this one on my underarms. Okay. So after, don't take shower, guys, please. So it will not, so your underarms will not be irritated. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so now it's not sticky anymore. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Another beauty tips again for you guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beauty tips. See you again next time. Bye!